Writing test number 1, you have 3 minutes to read a reading passage. Then you must listen to a lecture. Then you have 20 minutes to write an essay that summarizes the 3 points made in the reading and how they contrast with the 3 points made in the lecture. Now, there are certain writing structures you can use. You start with an introduction. Both the reading and lecture discuss whatever the topic is. While the reading says that, whatever the reading says, the lecture disagrees. Now, there are certain verbs that you can use. Claims, insists, asserts, argues, states, points out that. There are transitions you can use. First, next, finally. However, in contrast, on the other hand. Hey, are you paying attention? Both the reading and lecture discuss. Both the reading and lecture discuss. While the reading says that, the lecture disagrees. While the reading says that, the lecture disagrees. CIAASP. CIAASP. Claims, insists, asserts, argues, states, points out that. 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 First, next, finally. First, next, finally. First, next, finally. First, next, finally. However, in contrast on the other hand. 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 First, the reading claims that. First, the reading claims that. However, the lecture insists that. However, the lecture insists that. Next, the reading asserts that. Next, the reading asserts that. In contrast, the lecture argues that. In contrast, the lecture argues that. Finally, the reading states that. Finally, the reading states that. On the other hand, the lecture points out that. The lecture points out that.